Welcome to Aid Growth, your inspiring place. In today's video, we are going to dive into the world of finance. We are going to be talking about two popular methods for paying off debt: the snowball method and the avalanche method. These methods are both effective ways to get out of debt, but they have some differences that you need to know. If you're interested in learning more about these two methods, make sure to watch this video till the end. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Let's get started. The snowball method. The snowball method is a way of paying off your debts from the smallest to the largest, regardless of the interest rate. The idea is that you gain momentum and motivation as you eliminate each debt, and then use the money you freed up to tackle the next one. It's like rolling a snowball down a hill, and watching it grow bigger and faster as it goes. The snowball method was popularized by Dave Ramsey, a financial expert and radio show host. He claims that this method works better than paying off the highest interest debt first, because it's more about changing your behavior than doing math. He says that winning with money is 80% behavior and only 20% head knowledge. To use the snowball method, you need to follow these steps. List your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of the interest rate. Make minimum payments on all your debts except the smallest one. Pay as much as possible on your smallest debt until it's gone. Take the money you were paying on the smallest debt and add it to the minimum payment on the next smallest debt. Repeat until all your debts are paid off. Some of the benefits of using the snowball method are: it gives you quick wins and boosts your confidence. It helps you focus on one debt at a time and avoid feeling overwhelmed. It reduces the number of bills you have to deal with each month. It creates a positive feedback loop that encourages you to keep going. Some of the drawbacks of using the snowball method are: it may cost you more in interest over time, compared to paying off the highest interest debt first. It may not work for everyone, depending on your personality and preferences. It requires discipline and commitment to stick to the plan. The avalanche method. The avalanche method is a strategy for paying down debt that can save you money on interest. It works by focusing on the debt with the highest interest rate first, while making minimum payments on the other debts. Once the highest interest debt is paid off, you move on to the next highest interest debt, and so on, until all your debts are gone. This way, you reduce the amount of interest that accumulates over time and pay off your debts faster. The avalanche method is effective because it minimizes the amount of interest you'll pay over time, saving you money. However, it may take discipline and patience, especially if the highest interest debt has a substantial balance. It's essential to create a budget, track your expenses, and find ways to increase your debt repayment funds to expedite the process. To use the avalanche method, you need to follow these steps. List all your debts from the highest interest rate to the lowest interest rate. Make the minimum payment on each debt, except the one with the highest interest rate. Pay as much as possible on the debt with the highest interest rate until it is paid off. Repeat with the next highest interest debt, and so on, until all your debts are paid off. The avalanche method may be a good option for you if you want to save money on interest and pay off your debts faster. You are comfortable with paying off large debts first, even if it takes longer to see results. You are disciplined and committed to sticking to your plan. Some of the benefits of using the avalanche method are: it can help you save money on interest and pay off your debts faster than other methods. It can help you avoid paying more interest than necessary on high-interest debts. It can help you improve your credit score by reducing your credit utilization ratio. Some of the drawbacks of using the avalanche method are: it may not give you immediate satisfaction or motivation, as it may take longer to pay off your first debt. It may not work for everyone, depending on your personality and preferences. It may require more patience and perseverance to stick to your plan. The main difference between these two methods is the order in which you pay off your debts. The snowball method focuses on the smallest debt first, while the avalanche method focuses on the highest interest rate first. Both methods have their pros and cons, depending on your situation and preferences. The snowball method may be better for you if you have many small debts that you want to get rid of quickly. You need a boost of confidence and motivation to stick to your plan. You are not too concerned about paying more interest over time. The avalanche method may be better for you if you have large debts with high interest rates that you want to save money on. You are comfortable with paying off big debts first, even if it takes longer to see results. You are disciplined and committed to following your plan. You can also use a hybrid method that combines the best of both worlds. For example, you can pay off your smallest debt first, then switch to the avalanche method for the rest of your debts. Or, you can pay off your highest interest debt first, then switch to the snowball method for the rest of your debts. This way, you can enjoy the benefits of both methods and customize your plan according to your needs. Ultimately, the best method is the one that works for you. The most important thing is to have a clear goal, a realistic budget, and a consistent plan. No matter which method you choose, you can achieve financial freedom and peace of mind by paying off your debts. Thanks for watching our video today. We hope that you have learned many interesting things on how to pay off your debts. Don't forget to encourage us with a like and subscribe to our channel for more video like this. See you in the next one.